Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I have an interesting one for you today. This is a piece of white oak from a massive tree that used to stand right here. We took and cut it down about 2 years ago. I sectioned it up. You know, there used to be a big bank right there, so I had to cut it up in 16-inch pieces because I had to carry each piece back up the hill right over here, split it up, and we stacked it. And we eventually put it in the garage, and through this last winter when the power was out especially, we used most of that tree up. What I want to show you is how the mighty white oak can be set ablaze by a humble little hand drill ember. Let's start breaking it down. And this is the Mora Companion stainless steel we'll be using. Extremely sharp edge on it. Extremely sharp spine. We'll be making coarse shavings, fine shavings, which some people call feathers, and scrapings. All right, that ought to be enough of the feathers. Let me show you what that looks like. All right, now that we have this edge all nice and smooth, let's make some scrapings with our extremely sharp spine. That'll be enough. That's going to go directly underneath the ember and some of it on top of it. Now for the coarse shavings. Smooth that piece of oak up pretty good. All right. Gather up all these shavings here. Then we'll put these feathers and medium shavings next, of course. And a pinch of our scrapings, which goes under the ember, and then this will pour down on top of the ember. Let's go ahead and get set up for hand drill. Can't forget to baton some fuel wood up. I still need to soak my hands for a couple of minutes. I'm going to get to reuse this divot right here. I'll show you that up close. This one here. I'm going to open that notch up a little bit though. That off-center notch. And good old horseweed spindle. It's better. Now we'll give a chance for that to soak in and to evaporate. It'll give me some great grip. All right, let's give it a try. Horseweed spindle on water oak fireboard, shavings tinder bundle. The mighty white oak has been broken down and it should succumb to a tiny little hand drill ember. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. Do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.